Now that you have located Destiny, there are several ways you can initiate a search. On the left toolbar, your main library search, we'll go over in just 1 second, or Destiny Quest. Destiny Quest lets you look at the top 10 books. You can add resources. You can look at new arrivals. You can select the new arrival. You can see what date it was added. You can search by keyword. And then if you see something you want, you can drag and drop into a list. But the main way you will be doing it is through library search. There is a top 10 in the library search. There is a basic search, a power search. Power search is normally used by middle and high school students. A visual search. The two main ones that you will be using will either be visual search, if you were interested in folk and fairy tales, then let's say dragons. You can search that way. Go back to the library search. We'll take you back to your visual and basic search. Most students, because of time restraint, use basic search. In the basic search, you can search by keyword. Like if you were wanting to find something on dinosaurs, you would just type in dinosaurs, select keyword. If you knew the exact title, Diary of a Wimpy Kid, let's say, you would type that in, click title. If you knew the author, Judy Blume, for example, you could type her name in, click author. If you wanted a specific subject, sort of like the keyword, type in, hit subject. If you like a series, then you could type in the series, like the Dork Diaries or Magic Treehouse series, and then you can click series. Most students, because of time, have the option of doing two types of searches. Using these buttons, keyword, title, author, and just doing a general search, let's say cars, keyword search. And in this case, every book that's in the library, regardless of its AR level, will show up. In this case, there are 66 copies in our library. Titles 1 through 25 show on this screen. But if your teacher, and that is if you're here to check out a book that is not AR. But if your teacher requires that you use AR, then you need to come to this box in the center where it says narrow your search. The bottom selection, reading programs, is on unlimited. Change that to accelerated reader. We'll never change the point value. That's how many points you get for successful test completion. You want to make sure you have yourself available to all the ranges, but you will put your AR level, the lowest level on the left, let's say 3.0, the highest level that your teacher has given you on the right, and then type in your search. And again, I'm going to do keyword. That way I have the most options. And in this case, no longer do I have 66 titles. I have 19 titles coming up that are available for me. So again, library search. This is if you're on limited time. Your teacher sent you in with 10 minutes to find a book. Library search. Type in your keyword. Click keyword. For the title of the book, click title. Or the author of the book, select author. You can always do subject and series. Those take a little bit longer, so you need to make sure you have longer time to do that. That will give you general responses. If you need an AR book, then make sure you select AR from the reading program drop-down menu. Select AR level, your lowest level on the left, your highest level on the right. and then go back and perform the same method. Type in what you're looking for, and then keyword or the title, select title, or the author, select author. If you have been looking for an AR book and you decide that you do not need, you found that book and you want to just get a book regardless of AR level, then you can select unlimited. Make sure if you need to reset, go to library search. Destiny Quest is a fun way to search, but usually that requires more than 10 minutes to look. Visual, again, is another option that's quick. Power is long term. It takes quite a bit of time, so we won't use that one. Now you're ready to search for your books.